Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Technology Philosophy. Today I would like to talk about a new concept, illiberty, lack of liberty, illiberty. Illiberty in biohacking, personal data rights, neurodiversity, and the automation economy. Illiberty is a new concept that describes the notion of a lack of liberty. In one way, it is strange that a word for the opposite of liberty and freedom does not exist, given how strongly these ideals feature in social, political, and cultural life. However, illiberty is quite subtle. It does not have the bluntness of the freedom-slavery opposition. Illiberty is a sense of a lack of liberty, particularly where there should be liberty. The justice-injustice pairing is similar to the liberty-illiberty pairing. As individuals, we continue to wake up to higher levels of consciousness in constituting ourselves as subjects, and now is the time to develop an awareness and response for new situations of illiberty. Illiberty extends the familiar equity, social justice, privilege, and access struggles, and covers a larger conceptual ground. Here are some new cases of illiberty, many of which we may be unaware. Labor rights, mind liberation from working in the corporation, working for others. Personal data rights, the rights and responsibilities conferred upon personal data, especially big health science data streams, personal genome data, pacemaker data, biometric data, quantified self-tracking gadgetry data, neurostream and wearables data. Citizen science rights, non-institutional conduct of scientific research, bio rights, biohacking, the biocitizen, and community labs. Neural rights, neuro-diversity, ASD, autism spectrum disorder rights, introversion, mind emancipation. Economic rights, a basic income guarantee, automation economy, post-scarcity economy, and augmentation rights, rights and responsibilities of augmented persons. There is a research agenda for illiberty studies in two aspects. First is developing the illiberty concept, drawing upon Derrida's democracy to come, inherent illiberty in the conceptualization of liberty, Rancière's emancipation, de Soto's responsibility-taking and maturation, Dussels' liberty recast as liberation, Foucault's self-imposed disciplinary power, and Deleuze's microfascisms in one's own thinking. These are models for inspiration and grounds for establishing a response. The second arm of the research agenda is identifying the conceptual shifts and argument structure in the historical development of equality philosophies, such as decolonialism, feminism, queer theory, transgender, marriage equality, neurodiversity, and polyamory. Thank you for joining this episode on illiberty.